post update. Cutting. Close. Close. It's good. It's good. So many bugs today. My word. Let's see how close it gets over here. I'm cutting the entirety of the zone, as you can see here. I put my LIMO to rest so I can see how this actually does. It cuts nicely. I mean, it's decent. It's a lot faster than my E18, but I wish I could adjust it via the camera if it gets stuck. Like, okay, let me drive it out. Things that it just doesn't do well. It got stuck over here on the garden bed earlier. I had to actually turn it off, turn it back on. So it turns off by, it got stuck over here. It's clearly not cutting any of this, which it should. And what's going on here? It's missing all of that. It should easily be driving over this edge and cutting. I have cut to edge. I have the smart edge, whatever it is. Very disappointing, the fact that it cannot handle any of this. So let me go follow it around here. Yeah, it was, I mapped all the way up to the edge of this fence here. It doesn't want to cut any of this. Just ignores it, drives by. This zone ends here, so I think it's kind of edging / cutting this zone. This is another miss. I thought I'd be able to drive on this black rubber strip. It actually has good traction on here. Then cut this, but nope. Cut to 0. Total fail. It's getting stuck on the hill now, even though this is totally dry. Come on, don't be tearing up my grass, dude. This is not like tall grass. This thing gets stuck on any kind of tall grass going up hills. So the whole point of this thing was to kind of be my 1A and 1B. I was doing fine here, but this is super easy. My LIMO can do this. Any mower can do this. Show me what you can do that my LIMO can't do or my E18 couldn't do. My E18 can do this fine. It can maintain this area, no issues. And now that I have mulch in here, the grass will start growing in there, so I'm going to see if it actually goes to tackle the grass in the future. My LIMO will probably end up cutting anyway, so this is not really what I need, but following it around to just validate. And you can see it started cutting the other portion of my backyard. It cuts nicely, considering I think I have it at the highest setting, 3.5. It's not bad in that regard, but the fact that you have to continue to intervene, babysit, be involved. I mean, it's holding the line here, but I mapped it way into here. And I guess it recognizes this border. I wanted to cut over this. I wanted to drive in this mulch. As I did the mapping, it was mapped into here, yet it won't cut into there. And I cannot manually force it to drive over the edge, or I cannot program in the app. So I have edge precision within the LIMO and the Eufy. Now, I haven't had other brands, but it's quiet and it cuts. And I got the headlights, so I'm going to let it turn it loose tonight and see how it does. See, it just goes over the border, and then it comes back. I think it was only due to the fact that I had to kind of swing the turn, but it's not bad. Now let's see what happens when do wonder if it's going to go down the hill. It's going to make a U-turn. I had to fix this zone because it was getting stuck going up and down. You see it's already torn apart this. Not ideal, but I don't have much of an option. Just be a casualty. How close are you going to get to the fence, bro? Nope. Missed. Went here, but missed there. There it got the edge, but that's only due to the fact that now can you ride, how close can you ride to the border? Here we go. That's not too bad. It's maintaining. Okay. So, relative success here. No, missed. Total miss here. What is going on? What? Why are you not cutting that? Total miss. I don't even know over here. Again, this is probably like pass number 5 in this zone, but clearly has no intent on ever cutting here because this is just growing and growing on this side. Let's see if it avoids these obstacles. Huh? Okay. No, ran that one over.